Bat. Bats are the only mammals capable of sustained flight. There are over 1,400 species of bats, making them one of the most diverse mammalian orders. They are found worldwide, except in extreme desert and polar regions. Bats are important pollinators for various plants, including agave, used to make tequila, and durian fruit trees. Some bat species are insectivores, consuming vast numbers of insects, making them valuable for pest control. Bats use echolocation, emitting high-pitched sounds that bounce off objects to locate prey or navigate in the dark. Fruit bats, also known as flying foxes, are large bats that primarily feed on fruit and nectar. Bats are often misunderstood and have been associated with myths and superstitions in various cultures. Vampire bats are known for their blood-feeding habits, mainly on livestock and wildlife. Bats play a crucial role in seed dispersal by consuming fruit and spreading seeds in various ecosystems. Many bat species roost in colonies in caves, trees, or man-made structures. Bat populations face threats from habitat destruction, disease, and climate change. Conservation efforts focus on protecting bat habitats and raising awareness about their importance. Bats are known for their social behaviors and complex communication. The bumblebee bat is the smallest bat species and one of the world's smallest mammals.